Okay, are you ready to start our adventure underneath the sea? So we're going to play a little game, all right? So we're going to go swimming. So mewn nofio, okay, and you can do front crawl, okay? We're going to go swimming, up and down. You can do breaststroke, so where we go out like this. Or we could do backstroke, and we could go backwards. And if you've got a nice floor, you can even try swimming on the floor. Or you can do it sat down, exploring the ocean. So any kind of swimming that you like, okay? And then, when our music stops, we're all going to do a big dive under the sea. So we're going to go all the way up, and we're going to dive, and we're going to be underneath the sea. And we're going to be different creatures. So have a think. What lives under the sea? I know. We could be fishes. Can you make a fish with your hand? Yeah. We could be octopus. Ready? So we can go wiggle, wiggle, wiggle with all our legs. Ooh, nice. Uh-oh. I see an angry shark. Can you be a shark? Yeah, nice. What about a big blue whale? And he's going to take in all the water and then he's going to spurt it back out. Ready? Yeah. Oh, I know. I like dolphins. Are you ready? Can you make a little dolphin nose? And the dolphins, they go up out of the water and down. Up and down. And I really like a starfish. What about you? Do you think you can make a star shape? Pysgod seren? Yeah, brilliant. So every time the music stops, we're going to dive in the water and have a look and see what creatures we can find. And then when the music comes back on, we're going to carry on swimming. Are you ready? Going swimming. Are you ready? Ready to dive? We're going to go up. Oh, I can see our octopus. Ready? Yay! Well done. Right, you ready to go swimming again? Ready to dive in? Ready? I can see a fish, Pysgod, swimming in the sea. Yeah, good fishes. Are you ready to go swimming? I'm going to try it on the floor this time. Should we dive in? Ready? Big jump. Oh, I can see that big whale. Are you ready? Remember, he gathered up the water and... Should we try it again? Ready? Gather up the water and... Wow! Right, let's go swimming. Ready to dive in? Ready? Een, die, tree. Oh, I can see a dolphin. Are you ready? Make your little dolphin nose and he's going to go up and down. Up and down and swim in. Yeah, fantastic. Should we do one more? Ready? Well, here we go. Ready, big jump in. Ready, een, die, tree, big jump. Down. Uh-oh, I think it's Mr. Shark. Ready? everybody.